Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi here. In this video, I'm going to discuss combustion and flame. Combustion and ignition temperature. What does combustion means? It is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat. Give an example of candle. If we light the candle with the matchstick, it starts burning, it gives us heat and light. That means the fire reacts with the oxygen. Ignition temperature. The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is known as its ignition temperature. A substance cannot catch fire or burn as long as its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. The substance which has the lowest ignition temperature is white phosphorus and potassium, and the substance which has the highest ignition temperature is coal. Fuels. Substances which provide energy on burning in air. Fuels are of various types: solid fuels, liquid fuels, gaseous fuels. Solid fuels like wood, coal, cow dung, cakes, charcoal. Liquid fuels, kerosene, petrol, and diesel. Gaseous fuels, CNG, that is compressed natural gas, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, and coal gas. Contents of a modern matchstick. Wooden matchstick that has antimony trisulfide and potassium chloride at its head. Wooden stick, head containing antimony trisulfide and potassium chloride. The rubbing surface present on the matchbox has powdered glass and a little red phosphorus. When the head of the matchstick is rubbed against the rubbing surface, red phosphorus of surface converts into white phosphorus. White phosphorus reacts with antimony trisulfide, starts combustion. Inflammable substances, the substances that have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame. Example, petrol. Fire extinguishers, a substance which disrupts the contact between air and the fire is called extinguisher. Water is a very good substance in firefighting as it cools down the fuel such as wood below its ignition temperature. Sand. Sand and soil may act as a good fire extinguisher, particularly for burning oils. If the clothes of a person catch fire, it may be put off with the help of a blanket. Water should not be used to extinguish fire involving electrical equipment or oils. For fires involving electrical equipment, carbon dioxide is the best extinguisher. Carbon dioxide, being heavier than oxygen, covers the fire like a blanket. As the contact between the fuel and oxygen is cut off, the fire is controlled. Compressed CO2 stored in a cylinder, when released on a fire, causes formation of a blanket around the fire, cools down the temperature of the fuel. CO2 does not harm electrical equipment. Types of combustion. There are of three types: rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion, and explosion. Rapid combustion. When combustion occurs rapidly by applying a flame, such as burning of LPG gas in kitchen, is known as rapid combustion. Spontaneous combustion. The combustion in which a material suddenly bursts into flames without the application of any apparent cause is known as spontaneous combustion. For example, burning of white phosphorus at room temperature. Explosion. During ignition of a substance such as cracker, a sudden reaction takes place with the release of heat, light, and sound. An evolution of a large amount of gas, such a combustion is called explosion. Structure of a flame. The flame has three distinct zones. First one is innermost zone, that is black zone. Here it is unburnt part because here availability of oxygen is not there. Bright and luminous zone, that is yellow part. It is a middle zone. Brightness of this zone is due to glow of unburnt carbon particles because here a sufficient amount of oxygen is not available. Black zone. Blue zone. It is the outer zone of complete combustion. It is the hottest and non-luminous zone. Here sufficient amount of oxygen is available. Factors which help in combustion: combustible substances, oxygen, surface area of combustible substance. Larger the surface area, more is the rate of combustion. That is why a block of wood or a log does not burn easily. On splitting the block of wood, its pieces give larger surface, so combustion becomes easier. Ideal fuel. An ideal or a good fuel is one which is readily available, cheap, it burns easily in air at a moderate rate, it produces a large amount of heat, it does not leave behind any undesirable substances. It is probably any fuel that could considered as an ideal fuel. Examples: CNG and LPG. Burning of fuels leads to harmful products. Unburned carbon particles produced by fossil fuel, such as wood, coal, and petroleum, cause many respiratory diseases such as asthma. Incomplete combustion of carbon produces carbon monoxide, CO, which is a very poisonous gas. Carbon dioxide produced by burning of fuels causes global warming, which leads to the melting of polar ice. Burning of fossil fuels release sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen. These gases are extremely suffocating and corrosive. Important points. Calorific value, the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel is called its calorific value. Combustible substances, the substances that undergo combustion are said to be combustible. Candles burn with flame, whereas coal does not produce flame. Magnesium burns with white flame to form magnesium oxide. The substance catches fire only when they attain ignition temperature. Ignition temperature vary from substance to substance. We can boil water in paper cup. If you have any doubts or clarifications, feel free to contact me at my email. Thank you.